Private show. How much? How much? PM kita. Let's go. Hello. Hello everyone. Hello kay Jimin. Jimin, good morning. Thanks for following back. Creator, hello kay Areliano. Thank you. Shoutout sa mga viewers ko. I love you to guys. Kaldi tingin sa pagtapa. Eli daw na lang guys. Hello. Malaki ba katawan mo? No guys, maliit lang. Naktetek. What? Let's go! Grabe naman to. Mainit na guys eh. Mainit na dito. May pa-heart sa special oh. May pa-heart. Jake. Lagay mo lang po kamay niya sa likod ng ulo mo habang nakahiga idol. Send mo na guys, send mo na kayo. Kahit yun lang, hard. Kahit sombrero. Nako! Oh. Baka naman, Bashurat, you give me gift. Hey, thank you sa pag-follow ha. Thank you sa pag-follow. Thank you sa pag-follow guys. Thank you so much. Basharat. Basharat, you give me beautiful muscles. Thank you so much. You give me gift without balbas. Good morning guys. Nakalive naman si Boss Waldo. Basharat Abul. Give me one for flex bicep. Thank you guys. Thank you so much guys. Let's go. Prince Louis. Basharat Abul, give me one please. Thank you na sa bagtap. Thank you so much. Miss Paldo. Thank you. Good morning. Paldo na naman guys. Paldo na naman. Sabay-sabay tayo. Paldo talaga yan. So maingay. Ingay mo. Lagi yung paldo. Draso ilo. Kahit nakaligaw yan. Logo. Thank you so much, Akap. Dahil yan, may bicep guys. Bicep. Thank you so much. Thank you. Kili powers. Thank you so much. Thank you so